A star chart, also known as a star map or celestial map, is a graphical representation of the night sky, displaying the positions and characteristics of celestial objects such as stars, constellations, planets, and other astronomical features. Star charts are valuable tools for celestial navigation, amateur astronomy, and general stargazing. Key components and features of star charts. Celestial coordinates. Star charts use a coordinate system to represent the positions of celestial objects on the celestial sphere. The two primary coordinates are right ascension, analogous to longitude, and declination, analogous to latitude. These coordinates allow astronomers and navigators to locate objects accurately. Constellations. Constellations are groupings of stars that form recognizable patterns in the night sky. Star charts often include illustrations of constellations, making it easier for observers to identify and locate them. Stars. Stars are represented on star charts by symbols or dots, with each symbol corresponding to the brightness and spectral classification of the star. The brightest stars may be labeled with their names or designated by Greek letters. Deep sky objects. Deep sky objects, such as galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, are also depicted on star charts. These objects are often labeled and located in specific regions of the sky. Planets. The positions of planets in the night sky are indicated on star charts, allowing observers to identify and track the movement of planets over time. Planets are typically labeled, and their paths across the sky may be shown. Ecliptic and celestial equator. Star charts often include lines representing the ecliptic, the apparent path of the sun across the sky, and the celestial equator, an imaginary line extending from the Earth's equator into space. These lines are important for understanding the motion of celestial objects. Time and date information. Star charts are often specific to a particular time and date. Observers can use the charts to plan stargazing sessions by selecting the appropriate chart for a given night and time. Seasonal variation. Star charts take into account the seasonal variation of the night sky. As Earth orbits the Sun, different constellations become visible at different times of the year. Star charts reflect these changes and help observers identify which constellations are visible during a specific season. How star charts aid in celestial navigation. Orientation and identification. Star charts help observers orient themselves in the night sky by providing a reference for identifying constellations, stars, and other celestial objects. The charts serve as guides for recognizing the patterns and configurations of stars. Planning observations. Observers can use star charts to plan their stargazing sessions by selecting specific constellations or objects they want to observe. The charts help in determining when and where these objects will be visible. Telescope and binocular use. Star charts are useful for users of telescopes and binoculars. Observers can use the charts to locate and target specific celestial objects, ensuring an efficient and enjoyable observing experience. Educational tool. Star charts are valuable educational tools for teaching astronomy and celestial navigation. They provide a visual representation of the night sky, helping learners understand the positions and movements of celestial bodies. Historical and cultural significance. Star charts have historical and cultural significance, reflecting the knowledge and perspectives of different civilizations throughout history. They often include representations of mythological figures associated with constellations, sky events, and phenomena. Star charts are essential for tracking celestial events such as meteor showers, eclipses, and planetary conjunctions. Observers can use the charts to anticipate and witness these events. While traditional printed star charts have been widely used, modern technology has introduced digital star chart apps and planetarium software. These tools provide real-time updates, customizable views, and additional information, enhancing the experience of exploring the night sky. Whether in print or digital form, star charts continue to be indispensable for anyone interested in celestial navigation and stargazing.